start. Hello, beautiful people. Future me. Welcome to another round of improvement. Hopefully. Where's my timers? Nowhere. That's where. Um, Fuck you, Windows. Where is it? Boom, 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 boom. Stopwatches, programming, timer, and typing timer. Thank you. So I'll start. Hey, Clasher. Sometimes I think you don't come here for the programming, you come here for the exercise. I'll do all of it. Like, how the fuck is that it fills the left half, and when I want it to fill the right half, it takes only this space. It's beyond me. Fuck you, Windows. Oh. Yeah, right. Hi, Erickson. Oh, was it Dust Jar? I think. Okay, cool. Typing is done. So I guess we will do those. There are moments where I wish that like people would care more for me, you know, like write message and shit. And then it's too much. Well, I guess you want uh that from certain people and you don't want it from another ones. Can you hear the music? Almost don't, right? It's not. Anyway. A lot of shit in here. That view is fucked up. Whatever. What the fuck? Fuck. Should be. I don't know, it's fucked up. It's fucked up, I will just leave it as it is. It's... Hold on, that's not the right thing. It shows this thing, but it should have show the other one. Where are you? So this guy, and it shows a correct thing. Hey, there he is. What the fuck? What the fuck? How is that not working? This guy, no. Yes, no. This, no. This, yeah, how's the one? Okay, now it should be visible what I'm doing or not. It's kind of weird, but hey. Anyway, so what do we have? 100 push-ups. Oh, and I eat. Where is it? I need this. Haha. Oh, I did fuck up my doors. I think. Okay. I need to repair this. Okay, yeah, it's fucked up. Fucking hey. Okay, that didn't help. Well, there's a screw. It still slides off. Because it's sliding from the other side. Okay. Just give me a second. I feel like I need to fix this. Where did I put my tools? Like screwdrivers and shit, you know. Used to here, yep. It's there. Maximum success. Oh, the burpees will be hard for me. Because yes, yesterday evening I was doing like sit-ups and shit like that. No, sit-ups. Fucking A. When you almost sit down and stand up, how is it called in English? Squats. So I was doing squats and then launches. My leg hurts. Which is good. I'm not complaining. Even smaller, huh? Okay. I'm not complaining. What I'm saying is it might be interesting. Ah, here we go. Okay. And you will hold. Oh, look at that. Good girl. Good girl. Almost fixed. We'll pretend that I did fix it, and well, should fix the screws in and maybe I'd like some more permanent solution to that problem, but it is what it is right now. Okay, I should not put this on the floor because it will be vacuumed. Otherwise. I'm not even sure who gave me this gift, like this set of screwdrivers. Maybe my father, I think. Yeah, that's more like that. It was really useful. Hope you are doing well. I will pop off the big chat so I can see while sweating. Okay. Okay, this works. I'm not probably have one left already. Oh, doesn't matter. We'll do. Okay, well, let's do it. Let's do it. Wasn't so bad. of the plants. Not sure how this will go, but I can try, right? That's usually what happens. Like everyone leaves, and I just turned on the viewer counter. From 3 people, we are down to 1. Okay, so the burpees and beer done. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. I can do programming again. Just open the window. Short on breath. Today, a colleague of mine showed me, like, he met this girl. They are dating for like 5 months, and they are moving together already. That's kind of performance, I would say. Oh, we will have the tea time. All right. What would you like to hear about? Berdu. Is there something in particular you are interested in? Whatever's clever. Oh well. Challenge. All right. So, I'll talk about a tea which I had recently, and that is a GABA oolong. You probably know already that there are many different types of tea: white, black, yellow, green, oolong, heicha. Well, in heicha you can count things like pu'ers, or how is that one who end up in Indonesia? Oh, I will remember later. But I want to talk to you about the GABA oolong tea. So, the manufacturing or the harvest of comes in few processes, and that is no, that's not correct. Okay, it's kind of okay-ish for our purposes, and that is the first, like, cultivating. We will skip the entire thing and we'll go right to the harvest. After harvesting, you pick up only the freshest leaves at the end on top of the branch, which are full of the nutrients, you know, the shiny, light greenish stuff you see on trees in the summer. That's basically what we want. By the way, that's the part of the plant which also contains the most of the caffeine or thein. That's because well, the plants are protecting themselves from insects by this chemical, and it just happens that we use it for different purposes, right? The caffeine and thein. Anyway, after the harvest, you will wither it, and wither it like means it really just gets soft. And it's kind of like, because it crumbles in your fingers when you press it, or like anywhere else. If you just press it, it crumbles. So you wither it. That depends on the tea master or like the manufacturer, like how much of it will be like outdoor, how much indoor. You cannot go with like a recipe like, oh, you will wither it for 35 minutes or something, because sometimes it is after rain or something else is different. There's too much sunlight or too little, so you will either have it more time on the sun or not. And then here, between here and here, they are missing multiple steps. So we might find it somewhere else. It is called tossing, or settling and stirring. Okay, that's another way how to call it. It's basically like, originally it was like on this big mats out of bamboo, which looked like this. Here it is, and you would just toss it around, and the leaves would fall on each other, and they will damage themselves just a tiny bit, and that will allow the process of oxidization, right? So it will get brown. We will skip all the chemical process because we won't go to the GABA thing, and this is done multiple times, right? This oxidation process, and you will get from a tea which is like green like this, it will get darker and darker. Those are different types of teas, but you get the idea. This is the least oxidized, this is the most oxidized or fermented. It depends on which nomenclature you use. And in the GABA tea, oh well, they don't want for it, for example, yeah, that's one of them. To kind of stop the oxidization, you need to you need to change the you need to destroy like these chemicals which are called polyphenols. Those are like this long molecules in tea or fruits or whatever. When you cut an apple and it goes brown, it also contains polyphenols, and they will meet with another element which I forgot, well, chemical, and they cause this browning process. And because you heat it up, and heat is basically like movement of like the atom structure, right? And this is like this. Hey Ryan, this is like a long molecule. It kind of gets scissored, like destroyed. It cannot serve the process anymore, right? So normally you would do it by heat, but with GABA you do that with in like even the oxidation, well, not really oxidation process, it's like in this atmosphere, and it's either in vacuum or it's nitrate in English, I think. I'm not sure now. And this develops like this special like chemical which like has this which is the GABA amino acid, which is also in your brain. It helps you think, but they found out that you can produce the same amino acid in food just by put them through these conditions, and then you just dry it and that's it. And then you have, well, there's this rolling process as well, because I kind of went over time, so we'll just skip that. So you roll it into these tiny balls, like you can see here, for example. And I will skip the drying process as well. Well, I skipped a lot of the things, but just to talk about it in 5 minutes, it's not enough of time. And then you have this beautiful, oh fuck, what did I do? I closed a lot of stuff. Okay. Yeah, GABA oolong tea. You will get this beautiful, tasty. Oh, this is good picture. Yeah. This tea, and it's like really. Oh fuck! I'm not sharing this here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Consider it done. Tea time complete. Hope you did like it. No refunds. Hey, Ryan. Yeah, well, I am subject matter expert in a company. I'm a lot of the time angry. Or today I had a call with one of my colleagues, and because he's not improving in his code reviews, and it gets to the point where I felt that I need to address this. So right now we are in stages where I'm trying to find out if something is happening to him, if he has some problems, stress, if there are some outside factors I don't know about. And I'm doing that because I want to find out if he doesn't care, or if he does care, just something else happening, maybe bad communication, whatever, right? So we are currently in a process where I'm trying to educating him and telling him step by step what needs to be done and why and how he should work, and so he could survive in the company. And so that's what I'm doing right now. Now I'm troubles with girls as always. Or girl, I should say. And I'm feeling okay. Thank you for asking. And now we will go back to the thing why we did get here. Oh fuck, Windows. This is sufficient. Okay, it crashed. Oh, don't worry, I will record the data. Well, your precious data will be okay. Yes, please. Not AngularJS, Angular 2. And I'm going through dependency injection again. Okay. Indent. Yeah, this is like some exercise I could do, right? Create service and shit like that. Yeah, why not? Why not? Do I have some? Oh, it looks like I did that already. So close all the windows. Close all. Why are you so slow? Okay, so there is an exercise, create service from CLI in key. In key, we can do that, no problem, hopefully. Ng generate service, and it will be called, oh, that, okay, so this will be test 2, I guess. Test 2, here we go. Go Power Rangers. Done. Here is the service, right? So we did that. Now what else? Register service to what? Module. There are 2 ways how to do that, right? One, we can say provide in and then say the module we want to provide in, and I think it is already in here, so fuck that, I guess. Or the other one is in the module definition. We have this thing, right? Providers, right? So I can do test do service, right? I forgot comma in here, so that's another way how to do that. In that case, I don't need this over here, and I should prove that this actually works. Okay, so we will prove it by running the shit. Oh, here we go. Oh, stupid Windows. ng-serve open. And I forgot to start the timer. So I will do it a little bit longer. Look at that. It's here. Now, I would like to see some proof that is actually running, right? So what we will do in our service, we will not do shit. We will just say we'll create say something. Yeah, say something. Takes nothing, outputs nothing, and it will do console log. This is in test2 service. That's that, right? Then we will provide it somewhere. We'll use it. So here's some test component. We can do that in here. And there's some run tests. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? I don't like it here. And meanwhile, how are you, Ryan? Haven't seen you for ages. I see you are in Korea today. That component looks good. And we... Oh, you don't have to be sorry. You are not... I mean, you have no duty to be here. You are always welcome, but you have no obligation to be here. Where I put it? Oh, logger service. That's where we did inject shit and that, right? Ah. We did something in providers? Yeah. So this the test component, maybe. How did I do that previously? The previous one. Oh, that's the second one. And I said say. So we'll find the usages. Is this cheating? No. And it is in the constructor or something else. Okay, so let's go there, and we are in the app component. And okay, we'll do it in here. Why not? It doesn't matter really. Private test to service will be test to service. Surprisingly, here we go. Do we have to import it? Yes, of course we do. And now we will use it. So currently, you want to retire already? Here is hello from test service 1, and I don't want that. We will say test to service. Let's say something. Here we go, and now it says this is in test to service, so that works. Right, so that was one way how to inject it. The second way is to use this provide in, right? So I will go to the module here and I will remove that. Now it's not there, it will be broken. Look at that, broken, right? So we will go to the test2 service and we will in the injectables provide in the root, and voila, it works again. And here's the proof. Okay, so that's completed. I did that. That's the same thing. I will not bother. Okay, so this was the thing which we were doing. What the fuck is this? Is this really where we are? I think. So let's see. Here's the injectable using in another. What's next? Okay, so this is done and done. And we have a DI providers. Oh, look at that. Isn't that exciting? No, I know it's not that exciting. It's not bad. Okay, paste. Okay, so we have the dependency injection providers. Okay, so let's see what it is about. Services available to the parts of your application that need them. Okay, dependency provider configures an injector with a DI token, which that injector uses to provide the runtime version of the dependency value. My thoughts are racing in another direction. Configures injector with a DI token. Okay, that's completely French to me. Which that injector uses to provide the runtime version of a dependency value. Okay, whatever. Whatever, dude. Okay, so this is like the putting it like in here, right? We had in the module, we had this provider field, and if we mention in there, that's the case they are talking about right now. I know. I think I did remember. It was like one instance for everyone. So if you don't use it in the providers, you will have like multiple instances, right? And if you put it in the providers in that particular module, there will be one shared instance for everything, I think. can configure injector with an alternative provider. Configure an injector with a service class and provide a substitute class. Or factory function. What? Okay, so what the fuck? In its cache. Created for NGO. Okay. Injector provides a singleton instance of dependency. Yeah, right. Learn more about injector hierarchy in hierarchical dependency injector. Okay. I don't think I need that at the moment, but maybe to read something on the provider would be nice. Okay, so the provider is the class I created, right? Here are providers, and for example, this is provider because it's injectable. I guess this is how I declare that. Okay, more the DI token. Okay, so I guess we know something. And where's my thingy? Okay, I have my thingy. So when you configure an injector with a provider, so I think that's done how we seen it in the in here, right? This this here, I guess. Mm. Oh, look at that. Here's the injector component. What is that? Maybe we'll hear more about that. Dependency value is an instance. The class type is the lookup team. Here the injector uses the hero service type as a token for looking up hero service. Injector component. Okay, so I was in the right place. So here, and could you fucking say like it's the hero service? So it's this line, probably. Sure. The expanded provide object lets you associate different kinds of providers with AD iTalk. Okay. It's kind of French to me. What the? What the hell? The class provider syntax is a shortened expression that expands into a provider configuration defined by the provider interface. The following example is the class provider syntax for providing logger class in the providers array. Sure, Angular expands the provider's value into full provider object as follows. Okay, so this is the provider object. Provider object is just, this is the name, and this is what we will use. So you can say this, or you can specify, like, if they ask for this, you will put there that, I suppose. Two properties, the provider wants a token. Yeah, that's the key for both locating a dependency value and configuring the injector. So that's that. The second property is a provider definition object, which tells the injector how to create a dependency value. The provider definition key can be use class. As an example, it can so be use existing, use value, or use factory. Can be okay, so use class. The provider definition key. That's the key. Cheers. Oh, we will have another exercise, huh? Okay. So after this, we'll run out. I will be so fit. So alternative class provider. Different classes can provide the same service. For example, the following code tells the injector return a better logger instance when component asks for a logger. Yeah. Close the window. The hell is this? Oh, that's just like the normal thing, and here's the object, right? The provider object. If the alternative class providers have their own dependency, specify both providers in the provider's metadata property of the parent module or component. What? This example even better displays the username in the log message. This logger gets a user from injected user service instance. Okay, so I need to provide that because this needs that. Okay. Does this have to be in front of that? Let's see. self-commented thing. This might be it. So the user service, yeah, it doesn't use anything. Okay, so maybe I can search for better logger. And it is what did you say? It needs user service, huh? Okay. We don't have to use the service. Oh, here we go. Okay. So what I will try to do is to fuck this up by switching the order. So we'll play with it. So now it should be synthetically same. Okay, good. What if I switch those? Save that. Saved. No problem. Okay, so the order doesn't matter. Okay, good to know. Uses the service. That's the whole point, that it uses in here. Of course, we have it in here, but yeah, the main gist. Okay. Aliasing. Use existing. Okay, so we already have the new logger, but we can have this property to say use existing new logger, and he will be also available under the name of old logger. With the use class, this creates two different new logger instances. Ah, I see. Okay. Okay, it will be different instance. Forward ref. Writing variations of the same parent. I will buy a new webcam. The fuck is this? I'm not sure. And I think I will read it till the end, and maybe we can do some coding on this topic next time. The next session, which will be not today, because it's getting late. Oh, I see. Because it returns this, so it's reference in the place of parent. You will provide this. Okay, component. Okay. I understand. And I cannot just say component here, like use existing component. I have to have the forward ref. Why? Break circularities. Ah, okay. Indirect reference. I think like a resolving. Okay, so this is like just make this into that. Okay, beautiful. And the forward ref is to break the circular dependencies. What is the parent type? Is there something I did miss? Okay, so this will be the interface, right? And this is what we will Now I see. Okay, that makes sense finally. Uh, I will not change what is written in here because we will go over it next time again. But this guy says that we are done in this round with the Angela. We did a lot of stuff in this round. Exercise, talking about the. So I will stop that timer, stop recording.